Hello, teachers. I'm Kyle, and I will be your host for the 2019 Bluebird project at Not So Hollow Farm. We hope you'll join us on this journey because it's going to be a lot of fun, yet informative and educational. So let's dig into how this project is going to work. And it doesn't usually work like this. So let's go. Okay, so this is usually how it works. I take you along with me. The classes get to follow me as I go out on the property and check the nest boxes. It's a little bit snowy right now, but in the spring, it'll be a lot more fun, at least for me. I work at Not So Hollow Farm, and we are putting this project on. We are situated in central Ontario, north of Toronto, in Canada. We are a native tree and shrub nursery, and we service the public and conservation authorities. And we have 43 acres of property situated in the countryside, which is perfect habitat for eastern bluebirds. I've been volunteering in bluebird nest box conservation for about 4 years, and I have a good working knowledge on how to monitor them, and I think it's really important to share that with the next generation and teach them about birds, life sciences, and the importance of conservation projects like our Bluebird Nest Box program. This year, I want to take it a step further by allowing a lot more opportunity for other schools and classes, not just local ones, to be involved. So I'm getting a little cold, so I'm going to go back inside and explain the rest of the project. Whew, that is a little bit better. So let's go over a few of the main points for the 2019 Bluebird project. First is that it's going to be YouTube based, and I will be uploading 5 to 10 minute videos weekly to keep your class connected with the project. They will see the progress of the nest boxes from when the birds start nest building, to egg laying, to raising their chicks, and then them fledging. And if all goes according to plan, they will see the entire life cycle, which is going to be really cool. If you would like to see an example video, it's linked above from one of my favorites from last year. I will be talking about eastern bluebirds and tree swallows and house wrens. These birds will all be using the nest boxes, and we will talk about their diets, their migration, identification, and a whole bunch more specific to the birds. And then we will also talk about general things such as biodiversity, ecosystems, invasive species, and predators. The updates will begin in the first week of April. The very first episode is the first week of April, so if you're thinking about joining, circle that on your calendar. I will do 12 updates that are going to run from the very beginning of April till the end of June. With each update, I will also provide a weekly exercise such as a word search that you can use at your discretion. These videos will probably work great with your sciences or geography part of the day, and my target is grades 1 to 6. To keep your class connected with the project this year, we have a great idea to allow your class to pick a nest box to follow through the entirety of the project. In the first episode, I will go over all the boxes on the property. They will be able to see their locations and what they look like. And each box is going to be given a number, 1 to 11, and your class will be able to pick one of those to cheer on and follow through the project. We think this will be kind of fun because imagine if your class picks the one that gets the first bluebird eggs. They will be so happy. Plus, we have some prizes that will be involved with those schools that have been picking their nest boxes. Can anyone say class pizza party? I'll have more details about how that's going to work, but we will have some prizes if you make a nest box selection and join us for that part of the project. I hope you are interested in following along with this project. Please sign up before April to our email list. That way I can keep you in the loop as the project gets closer. I won't spam you, and you can sign up either on our website or in the link below in the description. We also have a lot of information on our website before the project begins. It's going to be tons of fun. I am really looking forward to it, and I hope to see you in the spring following us in our Bluebird journey.